Hello friends, this is third part of PHP shopping cart, with Stripe payment integration, and in this part, we will discuss how to add item into shopping cart. For this, we have moved to write code of add item into shopping cart by using Ajax in PHP. So here we have write document selector with on method, and under this we have write click event with button class add to cart. So when we have click on add to cart button, then this code will execute. Under this, we have write product ID variable is equal to $this with attribute method, and under this we have write ID. This code will fetch value from ID attribute. Below this, we have write product name variable is equal to $with hidden tag ID name with product ID variable with value method. Here we have fetch value of item name from hidden name variable. After this, we have write product price variable is equal to $with hidden price tag ID price with product ID variable with value method. Here we have fetch value of item price from hidden price variable. Same way we have write product quantity variable is equal to $with quantity text box ID quantity with product ID variable value, with value method. Here we have fetch value of quantity text box. Below this, we have write action variable is equal to add. Here we have define action variable with value add. Here we have set add item into shopping cart. Now we have write if statement, and under condition we have write product quantity variable value is greater than 0. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. But suppose above condition false, then it will execute else block of code, and under this we have write alert pop-up dialog box, with message like please enter number of quantity. But suppose above condition true, then it will execute if block of code, and under this we have start write Ajax request, first URL option set to action.php. In second option, we have write method option, and here we have write post, that means it will use post method for send data to server. In third option, we have write data option, and in this we can define which data we want send to server. So here we have write product ID variable value, product name variable value, product price variable value, product quantity variable value and action variable value, as data we have sent to server. Lastly we have write success callback function. This function has been called if Ajax request completed successfully. Under this, we have called load cart data function. This function will display latest shopping cart details on under popover plugin webpage. Lastly, under this function, we have write alert statement with message like item has been added into cart. So it will pop up dialog box with this message. Now we have moved to write PHP code at action.php file, and on this page first, we have write session start function. This function will start session on this page. Below this, we have write if statement, and under condition, we have write is set function, and under this we have write $post action variable. If this variable value is set, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write if statement, and under condition, we have write $post action variable value is equal to add. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Here we will store shopping cart data into one session variable, so we can access shopping cart data in system from any web page. So here, we have write if statement, and under condition, we have write is set function with $session shopping cart variable. This condition will check. If this variable value is set, then it will execute if block of code. But suppose we have add first item into cart, that means this session shopping cart value will not be set, and it will execute else block of code. So here we have write $item array variable is equal to array. In first key, we have write product ID, and in value we have write $post product ID variable value. In second key, we have write product name, and in value, we have write $post product name variable value. In third key, we have write product price, and in value, we have write $post product price variable value. And in last key, we have write product quantity, and in value, we have write $post product quantity variable value. So, this way we have store item details in $item array variable. Now we have write $session shopping cart variable is equal to $item array variable. So here we have store $item array data into this session shopping cart variable. But suppose we have already item added into cart, and we have again add item into cart. That means $session shopping cart variable has some data, and it will execute if block of code. So here first, we have defined $is available variable is equal to 0. This variable value will be increase if we have add same product 2 or more time. First we want to check particular product we have already added into cart or not. If we have already added into cart, then we have to just increase particular product quantity in cart. For this we have write for each loop, and under condition we have write $session shopping cart variable as $keys variable with $values variable. Under this loop, we have write if statement, and condition we have write $session shopping cart variable with $keys index with product ID variable is equal to $post product ID variable. This condition will check item with particular product ID is available already added in shopping cart or not. If already added, then it will execute if block of code. So now, we do not want to add again particular item into cart, but we have to just increase quantity of particular item. So here, we have write $is available variable value has been increased by 1. For increase particular product quantity in shopping cart, Here we have write $session shopping cart variable, with $keys as index, with product quantity variable is equal to $session shopping cart with keys as index, with product quantity variable plus $post product quantity variable value. This code will increase particular product quantity with the value of $post product quantity variable. After this, we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $is available variable value is equal to 0. This condition will be true if we have not add same product into shopping cart. So here we have write $item array variable is equal to array. In first key, we have write product ID, and in value we have write $post product ID variable value. In second key, we have write product name, and in value, we have write $post product name variable value. In third key, we have write product price, and in value, we have write $post product price variable value. And in last key, we have write product quantity, and in value, we have write $post product quantity variable value. So, this way we have store item details in $item array variable. Now we have check output in browser. Friends, first, we have refresh page, and after this we can see different product on web page with add to cart button, and above product we can see shopping cart with 0. Now we have add one product into cart. After this we have received item has been added into cart. After this in cart, we can see one item in cart with total price of whole shopping cart. Now we have click on shopping cart, then we can see shopping cart has been slide down on web page by using Bootstrap popover plugin, and under this we can see item details which we have added into cart. Here we can see checkout and clear cart button also. If we want to remove particular item from cart, then we can do by clicking on this remove button. So, in this part, we have discussed how to add item into shopping cart. In next part, we will discuss how to remove particular item from cart, and how to remove all item from cart in single click.